Hey everyone, pages are where all of your notes, ideas, checklists, and meeting details live inside Microsoft OneNote. If you're new to OneNote, creating pages is one of the first things you'll need to learn. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create, name, organize, and start using pages in just a few simple steps. So let's dive in. First, open Microsoft OneNote and sign in with your Microsoft account if necessary. Next, open the notebook and select the section where you want to create your new page. Remember, every page belongs inside a section. Now look for the Add Page or New Page button in the page list. Click it once, and OneNote will instantly create a blank page that's ready for your notes. At the top of the page, click the title area and enter a descriptive name. For example, you might use titles like Weekly Meeting, Biology Notes, Shopping List, or Project Ideas. Clear titles make your notes much easier to find later. Click anywhere below the title and begin typing your notes. You can also add images, tables, links, checklists, files, drawings, and much more using the toolbar at the top. OneNote automatically saves every change as you work, so, you don't have to worry about losing your progress. If you want to organize related notes together, you can create subpages. Simply create another page and use the Make Subpage option if it's available in your version of OneNote. It's a great way to group similar information together, You can also drag pages into a different order whenever you like. Keeping your pages organized makes it much easier to navigate your notebook as it grows. I mean, it only takes a few seconds and can save you a lot of time later, and that's how to create pages in Microsoft OneNote. Once you start using pages effectively, organizing notes becomes fast and effortless. Yeah, after a little practice, it all feels very natural. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out more OneNote guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.